Kampung Inggris Bubble.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up guys? My name is Muhammad Karim Benzema, and today I want to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in under 50 seconds. Let's go. So the first step, you need to make a cross, and then the middle is yellow color. Okay, let's make it. Okay, that should be done. The next step, connect the white to these two colors, and then do this method. Okay, let's do it. Like this, for example. Then you rotate like this until upside down. Okay, this should be the result. And then you have to connect the center to the edges. Okay, let's do. Okay, here's for example. The first layer, and then the yellow one. I mean the white one. Okay, next step, we have to do the middle layer using simple left and right algorithms. Okay, let's do it. Okay, that should be enough. Here's for the example. Okay, the next step, you need to make all yellow in here. Okay, using simple algorithms. Okay, this should be like this, and then solve the last corners and edges. Okay, here is the result. You'll hit 50 seconds under time. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.